Hi guys, I'm coming slowly back to reality. So I want to start you off with this empty room, which this used to be my nail room. Puppies took over the couch, my desk and all of my stuff were basically on this big wall, and basically that's it. I'm gonna take you now to another room, which I have now. I'm turning back into my nail room. It was my office during COVID. This is where I worked for a lot of months out of this room. And the reason why I chose this room is because I do take appointments from my current job with my customers, and this room has a separate entrance to from the house, so this way everybody felt more comfortable. I was able to keep this room more clean and sterilized for my appointments. Now that I no longer need this office, I'm going to turn this into my nail studio. Now, I'm not a licensed nail technician. I don't take clients. The only people that I actually do nails is my own, my family, my friends, when I do find the time, of course, and I do not charge them for that. Sometimes they'll bring me some products to try and things like that. So this big room is a huge mess. I have no idea how I'm going to do this yet. I haven't really decided on a plan yet. But I got my nail stuff. I mean, they are filled with things and probably some gels and old files that need to be thrown out. Like, you can see it. How can I still have this in my drawer? Glitters and nail foils. Little table for my 4-year-old. This is my desk, which is, oh my goodness. I'm getting scared just even thinking about it. I have my products right there. I got my, can never pronounce this or remember the name of my stand, which is the Archon stand. Yeah. And there's more stuff. More stuff, more stuff, and more stuff. I have more laundry basket filled with glitters, nail polishes, powders on top of powders, rhinestones. There's more stuff right there. There's something behind. I mean, it's absolutely, there's my rhinestone collection, my tips. It's absolutely insane how much stuff you collect over the years. But I am going to reorganize everything. I just wanted to share with you guys that I am in a big mess right here. Any ideas, any suggestions of what I can do? Where would you put this big desk? I'm actually trying to, it's a corner L-shaped, so I'm probably going to put it against that wall so I have more room inside. And this probably going to stay where it is. I just need to, I guess, decide where I'm going to put all these other things and shelves. This needs to be repainted, obviously. So that's just a whole nother project. Yeah, so most suggestions are very welcome. I'm open to anything. And oh, here I am. Hello, guys. Yeah, I don't know what to say. I mean, it's been tough since COVID. We basically just started going back to reality in January, and the office is no longer needed. So I'll be hopefully be able to find more time on doing some videos. I definitely want to do a lot more videos on how I get and mix my own acrylic powders. I love doing that. You guys know I've been known to make my own colored powders, and it does save us a lot of money. So stay tuned if you're gonna wanna see the transformation of this crazy room into something, I hope, special and unique that's going to just help me having my own room. I am on a budget. I don't have any money to be able to buy anything extra for this room. I was thinking about fluffy carpets, maybe like a little couch, just something to make it look more girly, not, you know, kitchen showroom stuff. That's basically my business, but I want to get all of this out and maybe just decorate it and make it look fluffy, pink, and comfortable. So I'll be back shortly. Stay tuned. But I'm looking forward to all the comments on what you guys actually think that I can do and how I can reorganize it with everything that I already have. Ow. Yeah, it's a big mess. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys soon. Thank you so much for all of your support. I hope everybody is okay and stay safe, and we are here all for each other. Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye guys.